In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add CC in Gmail in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to emailing or simply looking to ensure your messages reach multiple people with ease, this guide will walk you through each step of the process. Let's dive in and get started with composing your email. First, you'll want to open your Gmail account. Once you're logged in and on the main Gmail page, look towards the left side of the screen for the Compose button. This button is usually found at the top of the sidebar, easily recognizable and marked with a plus icon. Clicking on Compose will open a new message window, typically appearing in the same lower right area of the screen every time. In this new email window, you'll see the To field at the top. This is where you input the main recipient's email address. Go ahead and type the email address of the person you are directly contacting. Make sure to double check for any typographical errors in the email address, as this can prevent your message from reaching the intended recipient. Next, let's add a CC, which stands for carbon copy, allowing you to send a copy of this email to another person. Immediately below the To field, you'll find the CC option, which may initially appear as a simple clickable link. Clicking on the CC link will expand this option, opening a new field beneath the main recipient's address. The CC field is perfect for including someone who needs to be informed about the email but isn't the primary recipient. In this newly opened CC field, you'll need to type the email address of the person you want to keep in the loop. Again, verify the email address for precision so they receive this important communication without any issue. Adding a CC is a courteous way to ensure multiple parties have access to the same information, making it great for team updates or collaborative discussions. Now that you've added all necessary recipients, both primary and CC, you're ready to proceed with your message. Craft your email subject and body, ensuring your message is clear and concise. Once you're satisfied with the content, you're only a step away from sending it. Take another quick look at the recipient fields to ensure all addresses are correct and that you've communicated everything you need in the email body. Then simply hit the Send button located at the bottom of the Compose window. Congratulations, you have successfully added CC to your Gmail message. This straightforward technique is incredibly useful when managing communication within teams, or when dealing with projects that require the insight of multiple individuals. Continue to use this feature to enhance your emailing efficiency and keep everyone in the loop. Thanks for joining me today, and happy emailing.